Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. We're going to do a quick practice in anatomy and we're going to draw a hand in this position. So fantastic, or it is a gesture that shows that something is top notch and something you're happy with. So we will just make an oval. Please use very light strokes, could be a circle, but an oval might be better. So I will make that into more ovalish. And then a straight line like that, one straight line like that. So it's kind of like a cup with curves, but with that oval end. And then around this we are going to construct the hand. That, as you might have thought, will be the butt of the hand, or the thumb is going to generate from here, and that will be the wrist. That we have, that is the top of the hand here. So we have dealt with those portions. Now according to this we are going to put in some fingers. So usually when we're going like this, all the other fingers are not necessarily visible, so we will do this to the best of our ability. So the first thing is that we put in the thumb. So just put in lines like that. Make sure that the index finger joins the thumb. So 1, 2, 3. So that these three lines will comprise the index finger, and then we move on to the middle finger. 1, 2, 3, and behind that 1, 2, 3. Now around this we're going to first put down the thumb. Now every thumb varies when we are looking at our hands or the hands of anybody else, if you see here. So not necessarily the same skin or the same tone comes across. Now you have to keep your sketch along these lines, not necessarily right around it. So that's just a guideline, and I have decided to go at it this way. So that is the index finger and the thumb joining in to grab an object, or to, as I said, depict something that is top notch. So a gesture of approval. And then we do the easiest part of the exercise. So middle finger right around there, and depending on the angle, because the hand could be a little bit like that. So if you do this, then that means that the small finger will show. So we're going to come around and make this more streamlined. In this case this knuckle shows, so I'm going to highlight that and end it here, and then behind a little bit of the third finger shows, and then of course the knuckle at the end of the index finger is right there. So we got the hand more or less down. You could make this longer or keep it the same depending on what hand you are modeling your pose, the same gesture on. So there we have it. And then if you have to decide, I'm going to bring that in a little bit, make it more anatomically correct, like so. Get rid of that and make it a little cleaner to look at. So here we are. That was rather quick, so it's very easy. And if you have to go into some additional details, we will, let's say that the details are normally like doing that extra bit of shading So giving some highlights around the knuckles there, or if depending on what medium of art you're trying to utilize, you will be giving some crosshatch, some shading depending on the source of light. So certain areas will be more illuminated, certain areas will be darker. And again, that is not essentially an exercise that we are going to delve into in too much detail. Our idea was to sketch out the hand, and there it is. So a quick gesture. Now hands are different, again, longer fingers, shorter fingers, and it all depends on if you're going to stretch this out a little bit, come out and have them meet here, or keep it there. So it is all up to you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.